Hi, my name's Monica and I'd like to tell you about our new Hotpoint style washing machine. This is a fantastic 8 kilo capacity A++ machine with a wide range of programs. It's got a good big swivel out door which opens wide so you can fill in your washing, your load. You add in the detergent and it's a nice swivel out tray that is very easy to fill without sprinkling your detergent all over the place. The range of programs, beside your standard whites, cottons and synthetics, there are some special programs like anti-allergy, baby, bed and bath, which all vary the amount of water they use and how they wash, how much they agitate the clothes. And then you've got your fast wash, which is 60-minute wash at up to 60 degrees. You can obviously vary that, or a 30-minute fast wash, which is just 30 minutes at a maximum of 30 degrees. Then some of the extras are a shirt wash, which decreases the creases on your shirts, and a wool wash, which is actually the machine has a wool mark approval. So setting the timer and setting your load on is quite easy. Load the machine, close the door, spin your dial to find what you want, and then you can vary the temperature, vary the spin speed. You can add on a super wash, which will work the detergent and the clothes harder. You can put in an extra rinse. You can also make it an easy iron, which means it carries on going around and around so you don't get as much creases. Or you can put in a time saver. Now the time saver and the super wash clashed, so therefore it didn't go on, and because of the program I've chosen, the easy iron doesn't match with that one. And then you just press the start button and off it goes. And you can pause it once you've done that, when you've got a program running. What I miss in this machine is a small LED timer that shows you how far you're in the program, how long a program is, how much more it's got to run. And I've not really been able to get the clothes very clean with this machine. I'm hoping it's just because we've got very hard water in the area, and that's why the detergents don't work as well. But very often I'm having to wash things twice, even when I've put some stain remover on some of the clothes, and especially children's nappies are coming out not very nice. So overall I would rate this machine as a 4 out of 10. Thank you very much for listening to my review, and hope it's helped you in your purchase decision.